There.
It's a cold March day on the footpath alongside Slapton Ley.
Now we need more.
They're hammering posts into the mud which will support screens to hide the public from the wildlife beyond. Although this swan seems totally unperturbed, species like kingfishers and water rails are not so accommodating. The plan is to cut an area of reeds behind the screens to attract these shy species close to public view.
Okay, that should be about it.
Wooden pegs are made to fasten the screens to the posts. Holes drilled and pegs hammered home. The screens are made from reeds out of the Lea, held together by hazel coppiced from the dormouse habitat. Each new screen is carefully manipulated into place, and the swan conveniently provides a sneak preview of how they will work.
Gentle.